didn't hold a town hall. What do you want to see specifically in terms of healthcare reform? And do you plan to hold a town hall to talk about it?
Well, first of all, our healthcare system is in a downward spiral, and that's the reason that we've seen historic elections this past November. First of all, what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that anybody who has a pre-existing condition can keep their health insurance. We're also going to make sure that if parents have children who are under the age of 26 and they are on their policy, they're going to be able to stay on their insurance policy. And finally, those people who are on Medicaid right now, we're going to make sure that those people stay on Medicaid and have coverage, and then we're going to phase them out through the next 3 or 4 years so that they're going to be able to purchase their own policies.
And on the town hall question?
On the town hall question, I am here to serve the constituents of the 45th District. They elected me to come to Washington, D.C. to do the job, and I am focused on representing those constituents.
Okay. President Trump also has talked about spending, which is so important in the House. Another $54 billion he wants for the military, around $20 billion on a border wall. Right now, net immigration is at zero. The U.S. already spends more on the military than the next 7 countries combined. Is a border wall and a military buildup really the best use of funds right now?
First of all, government's #1 job is to keep Americans safe and people in this country safe. So we have seen over the last 8 years with this past president, military spending going down, and we need to make sure that we support our military and we give them the tools that they need in order to keep our country safe.
Now, we're also hearing about the issue of immigration. We just talked about the border wall as well. A potential compromise bill. Would you want to see a potential compromise bill in the House? And would you support a pathway to legalization, not citizenship, but a pathway to legalization?
First of all, we need to make sure that we secure our borders. And once we secure our borders, we need to have comprehensive immigration reform. And I am very confident that the president is going to make sure while he is in office that we get immigration reform. Listen, people come to America because we are the land of opportunity, and it's a wonderful place to live. But we also have to make sure that people who want to come to this country, they come to this country in a legal manner. And I am hopeful that we will come to some sort of agreement, and we will make sure that we handle immigration and get its reforms in place.
All right, we're going to have to leave it there on the spirit of agreement. It's a big night for you. We thank you for taking some time.